Hey, what's up? Hunter Killer here with another episode of booga on Roblox. So today, my main goal is to probably level 24. Anyway, my main goal is to try and make armor. Now I've made leaf armor, which isn't good, but I want to make good progress. So it is not working. All right. Just let it load in for a few seconds. Might take 1 minute. Alright, it's loading in. It's loading in my character. I'm moving like whatever. Alright. Now, since the oh, we only have a rock. And we don't have any leaf armor, we just have a bag. Anyway, we're gonna try and get as much stuff as we can today. So let's just try and do that real quick. And the game froze. There we go. Doing good. Alright, first priority is to build a club. Yeah, that's our main priority. We have to build a club. If we don't, we're probably gonna get beaten to death. Let's make a leaf shirt and pants, and then we should have. Yes, we do. We have leaf shirt and armor, and now we're back to the regular stuff we had at the beginning. Now, here's the bad thing. Bad thing is I can't zoom up. Alright, here. I'm gonna craft a... Can't craft a log. Oh, I mean a hut. Because I don't have 6 stone. Wood wall, wood gate, fish trap. It'd be good if I had a fish trap or a nest. That'd be great. But it's not gonna work. So we're going for plan B. Find a new part of the island. Not wasting the tree in the game noise. Alright, take some logs. I'm gonna take as much as I can with me because you never know what might happen. Alright, I'm clicking the comment thing. Destroy this bush so we could get an axe and a pickaxe. Leaves and a stick. Now, if I'm correct, we should be able to. No, not that. We aren't good. This dude spawned here. Kind of want to destroy him, but. Let me try and speak to him. Oh, wait. Sure. Alright, now we're gonna be teaming with this dude. Alright. Go break the campfire. I don't know where he's going. I'm just breaking this stuff so I can get more materials. And the campfire gives stone, which is really helpful. Alright, it's not helpful. That dude's opening chest, or I think he is. Oh, it's driftwood. I thought it was stone. It'd be really helpful if it was stone. This dude's making so much noise. I'm just trying to get enough logs so I can build a bunch of rafts. Because you never know what can happen. If he tries to attack me, I'm gonna take that club and smack him in the head with it. Anyway, we almost have enough to build 5 rafts, I think. Someone's coming after me. I want to share some resources with him. F. Here, I'm gonna give him some leaf stuff. C, there we go. I dropped in his head. Alright, take that, my friend. You shall make leaf armor. I think that's something you use to make leaf armor? Yeah. Oh. This takes more than that. Oh. Careful. Oh. Oh yeah, here. There you go, man. And then give him one log, and that's it. So then we're gonna build a boat so we can get out of here. Raft and then place. Goodbye, my friend. I shall sail to somewhere greater. Or try to. There's a huge shark right there, which I'm not intended to go after. Well, I left the person that I gave him enough leaves to make some clothes, but I left him sadly, and he's probably mad at me, which is funny. But I feel bad because I left him there, and I feel just terrible because I left him there, and he probably doesn't. He doesn't have enough to get off the island. Ooh, sorry, dude. I'm so sorry. Alright. We're just gonna mine. Oh. I'm gonna mine the small rock. Oh, he came over with leaf armor. Nice, dude. Oh, God. I'm just mining rock, man. Alright. I'm just grabbing some stones so I can build a house. He is mining logs down there, which is very useful because I'm kind of scared because I gave him enough resources to, what tribe are we even in? Alright, we're just gonna grab this, and, oh, you can't build a club yet, I remember. So, we can build a hut, which would be great, but here's the thing I want to build. No. Oh, come on. I'm just trying to... Campfire would be good. I need some food because my character is basically out of food. We have barley. What do you even need barley for? Alright, this dude wants some stuff, so I'm gonna go over here. Here. Take some stone. Uh-oh, that ain't good. Alright, here. I'll have to harvest it. Then we're gonna go over here. And then we're gonna cook it, which is a very smart idea. Alright, so we're going over here. And then we're gonna make a campfire. And I'm gonna drop that. And that's how we cook food, which is really nice. And cooked food, it does a lot for your hunger. And that's amazing. So, shout out to Dark Plasm, because I just made my first cooked morsel. Harvest. Alright, now, here. You could have an egg. Oh, I gotta type, no. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, what's he doing? Wait. Where was that? Yeah, he could take all those. Alright. I gotta tell him let's go somewhere. Oh my god. Oh, sorry. I'm just gonna mine this dude so I can eat him. Well, I'm not gonna try and eat him. I'm just gonna try and kill him because he gives lots of valuable resources, which I'm very happy because those are very important. Day 15, survival. Oh my god! F.